Hey there, this is Matt Taylor from UKULELE, and today I'm announcing my summer ukulele giveaway that you'll want to be a part of. Now this giveaway has been made possible by my friends over at Ohana Ukuleles. They're a great brand, and by the way, this is not a paid video. This is just me expressing my belief in this company because they make unique quality ukuleles that you'll enjoy playing. And if you win this contest, then you're going to receive this tenor ukulele. This is called the TK70R. In fact, I'm going to put a link in the description box below so that you can look into this ukulele even more. But it's got a great sound. I love the look of this ukulele, love the wood, love the neck, and then you gotta love this headstock. It kind of resembles a classical guitar. But it's a great ukulele, and like I said, you'll definitely want to win this. Now there's 3 steps that you have to take in order to enter this contest. The first step is to go like or follow Ohana Ukuleles on their Instagram or Facebook. Step 2 is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, UKULELE. And the third step is to tag 4 friends in the comment section of my summer ukulele giveaway post on my Instagram or Facebook. And that's it. Those are just 3 easy steps that you need to take, and then you'll be entered to win this beautiful ukulele. So don't wait, enter today, and I hope that you win this ukulele. Good luck, and thanks for supporting UKULELE.